Hello, I am Mr. Kadganji from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. First of all, I will thank that you have subscribed the videos which I have uploaded on the YouTube link. And those who are not subscribed, so you can subscribe it and you can enjoy the study which I am taking on the YouTube link. Now here, today we are going to see the standard 10th, that is in Maths 1, chapter number 3, that is arithmetic progression. From this already we have seen, that is practice set 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and 3.4. Now we are going to study, that is in a problem set 3. From that question number 1, it is in a multiple choice question, that it is an easy, that you can solve it yourself. If any problem is there, you can ring and you can get solved your problems. And now here question number 2 to question number 14. These questions I have divided into a two part. That is in a question number 2 to question number 8. That is in a one video I am going to take, and another video, that is question number 9 to question number 14. That is in a second video will be there. So now in this video we will start now here question number 2. Find the fourth term from the end of the arithmetic progression. You should read the question properly and try to understand, then get solved. Find the fourth term from the end of the arithmetic progression. End of the arithmetic progression means from this side. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, last fourth term. If you will know the nth term, what is an nth term, then we can find the last fourth term. So let us now here, that is minus 11 minus 11 minus 8 minus 5 dash 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 49 is an arithmetic progression. A is equal to minus 11. This is the first term. Common difference, D is equal to minus 8 minus 11. That is equal to minus 8 plus 11. Subtract it here and keep the greater number sign. After subtracting 11 minus 8, that is a 3. Greater number, that is an 11, so plus sign. You can check it for the other one. D is equal to minus 5 minus 8, which is equal to minus 5 minus into minus plus 8, which is equal to 3. That means common difference D is an 3. And here Tn is given, that is an Tn is equal to 49. Now we know the formula for Tn. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. Now Tn is in a 49. First term, that is an A is in a minus 11 plus in bracket n minus 1. D is in a 3. So 3 in bracket n minus 1, which is equal to 49, and this minus 11 shifted to the other side of this equal to sign, it becomes plus 11. So 3 n minus 1 is equal to 49 plus 11, that is an 60. 9 plus 1 10, 4 5 and 1 6, 60. That is n minus 1 is equal to 60 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and this 0, that is n minus 1 is equal to 20. Therefore n is equal to 20 plus 1. This minus 1 shifted to the other side, it becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 21. That is an nth term is an n is an 21. This is an 21th term. Now he had told us to find the last fourth term. Now see here, this is then a T21, that means T20, that means T19, and this T18. That is first, second, third, fourth. The fourth term will be the last fourth term is T18. Now T n formula already we have written here. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here T18 is equal to a plus in bracket 18 minus 1 into this d. Now put the values. T18 is equal to a value is in a minus 11 plus 18 minus 1, that is in a 17, into d is in a 3. So T18 is equal to minus 11 plus 17, 3s are multiply this, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. That is a 51. So T18 is equal to minus 11 plus 51, subtract it but keep the greater number sign. 51 minus 11, there is a 1 minus 1, 0, 5 minus 1, that is a 4, that is a 4t. T18 is equal to 4t. That means the last fourth term is a T18, which is equal to 4t. The fourth term from the end of the arithmetic progression is T18 is equal to 4t. You can get the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now third example, in an arithmetic progression, the 10th term is in a 46. This is the first condition, and second condition is that the sum of the 5th and the 7th term is in a 52. Then find the arithmetic progression. Now here given condition, or you can write it as a case. First what it is, 10th term is 46. That means T10 is equal to 46. We know the formula, that is Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Now T10 is equal to a plus in bracket 10 minus 1 into d. T10 is given 46, which is equal to a plus 10 minus 1 is in a 9d. The same I will write in this way, a plus 9d is equal to 46. This is an equation number 1. In the same way, it is now here given 5th, the sum of the case second. This case second is given, the sum of the 5th term plus 7th term is equal to 52. Now T5, 5th term means that is an a plus in bracket 5 minus 1 into d, plus T7 means a plus in bracket 7 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 52. Now here a plus a, that is a 2a, plus 5 minus 1, 6d, plus 5 minus 1, that is in a 4d, plus a, already we have added that here, 7 minus 1, that is in a 6d, is equal to 52. Now 2a plus 4d plus 6d, that is in a 10d, which is equal to 52. Now here 2a, 10d and this 52, here it is divisible by 2, so I will divide it. So I will get now here a plus 5d is equal to 2 to the 4, 2 6 are 12. This is an equation number 2 by dividing by 3. Dividing by 2. we will get this equation number 2. Now equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, or subtract equation 2 from 1. I will write this once again. Equation 1 is an a plus 9d is equal to 46 and a plus 5d is equal to 26. Now when you will subtract, you change the sign of the second equation here. This plus a minus a, it will be cancelled. 9d minus 5d, that is a 4d, which is equal to 46 minus 26, that is a 0, this 2, 20. Then d is equal to 20 upon 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, d is equal to 5 I will get. Now put d is equal to 5 in equation 1. Equation 1 it is an a plus 9d is equal to 46. A plus 9d is equal to 46. A plus 9 into d is an 5 is equal to 46. A plus 9 5s are 45 is equal to 46. Then a is equal to 46 minus 45. This it is shifted to the other side. A is equal to 46 minus 45, that is an 1. This is the first term and the difference I got, that is an a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 5. Then first term will be a, second term is an a plus d, third term there is an a plus 2d, fourth term is an a plus 3d, and so on. So the arithmetic progression will be now here 1, and here 1 plus 5, here 1 plus 2 into 5, here 1 plus 3 into 5, and so on. So 1, 6, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11, 3 5s are 15 and 1 16, and so on is an arithmetic progression. That whatever the answer we want, that we got it. So you can take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now fourth example, in this the arithmetic progression in which the fourth term is in a minus 15 and the ninth term is in a minus 30, then find the sum of the first 10 numbers. That means yes, 10 is equal to quotient, that is we are going to find it. Now here suppose first term is a and common difference is d. Then case first, that is an T4 is equal to minus 15 he has given. We know the formula, Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Then T4 is equal to a plus in bracket 4 minus 1 into d. T4 is given minus 15 is equal to a plus 4 minus 1 is in a 3d. That means a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. This is an equation number 1. Now case 2, or you can say it as a condition 2 also, condition second, or case 2. Now here T9 is equal to minus 30 is given. So Tn is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. This is our formula. T9 is equal to a plus in bracket 9 minus 1 into d. T9 is minus 30 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 is an 8d. So a plus 8d is equal to minus 30. This is an equation number 2. Equation 1 and 2, by the simultaneous equation if we will solve, we will get the value a and d now here. Equation 1 is an a plus 3d is equal to minus 15, and equation 2 is an a plus 8d is equal to minus 30. Now if we will subtract this, if we will subtract, we can change the sign of this. Where the plus sign is there, we write it minus. Where minus sign is there, write it plus. So now here this plus a minus 8 will be cancelled. 3d minus 8d, subtract it but keep the greater number sign, that is a minus 5d is equal to minus 15 plus 30. From 30 remove the 15, we will get here 15 plus 15, then d is equal to 15 upon minus 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15, d is equal to minus 3 we will get. D is equal to minus 3. Now put d is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is our, that is a plus 3d is equal to minus 15. A plus 3d is equal to minus 15. Now a plus 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 15. Now a plus into minus minus 9 is equal to minus 15. Therefore a is equal to minus 15 plus 9. Therefore a is equal to, from 15 subtract 9 and keep the greater number sign. Greater number is 15, so minus sign. 15 minus 9, that is a minus 6. Minus 6. Now here a is equal to minus 6 and d is equal to minus 3 we got, and he had told us to find the S10. So S now here, find S10 is equal to, so we know the formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into this d. Now S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 in bracket 2 into a value we have calculated here, it is in a minus 6 plus 10 minus 1, and this d is in a minus 3. Bracket complete. Here you can do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. I will write here now. S10 is equal to this 5 in bracket 2 6 are 12, that is a minus 12, plus, here only I will see now here, plus into minus, I will write here minus now only now. Now 10 minus 1 is a 9 into this 3. Bracket complete. S10 is equal to 5 in bracket. This minus 12 minus 9 3s are, this is 27. So S10 is equal to 5 into minus 12 minus 27, that is an added but keep the negative sign as it is, 7 8 9 2 and 1 3, that is an 39 minus 39. So S10 is equal to, now plus into minus, that is a minus, subtract, that is a, you should multiply here 5 into 39, that is a 5 9s are 45 5 3 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 195. S10 is equal to minus 195. And here the D value we got here, A value we got here, and S10 also whatever we want to find that we have got it. So you can remove the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now fifth example, two arithmetic progressions are given. That is, the first arithmetic progression is 9 7 5 dash dash dash, and the second arithmetic progression is 24 21 18 dash dash dash. Then if nth term of both the arithmetic progression are equal, then find the value of n and the nth term. That is, n is equal to question mark and tn is equal to question mark. Now here suppose first term of first term and the common difference of first arithmetic progression is A1 and D1. Now here therefore nine, 7, 5 dash dash dash, this is the first arithmetic progression. In this, A1 is equal to 9 and D1 is equal to 7 minus 9, which is equal to 9 minus 7. You are subtracting. When you will subtract, that is, keep the greater number sign, that is a minus 7 8 9, that is a minus 2 we will get. You can check for the other one, that is a 5 minus 7, which is equal to minus 2. D1 and A1 we will get here. That is, A1 is 9 and D1 is a minus 2. Then Tn formula we know, Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Now here I will write in this way now. That is, Tn is equal to A1 plus in bracket n minus 1 into D1. D1 here we know, that is, Tn is equal to A1 value is a 9 plus n minus 1 into D1 is a minus 2. So Tn is equal to 9 plus minus 2 n minus into minus plus 2. So here we will get Tn is equal to 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11 minus 2n. 11 minus 2n we will get here. You can write here equation number 1. This is for the first arithmetic progression. And now suppose first term and the common difference for the second arithmetic progression is A2 and D2. Therefore, here arithmetic progression is 24, 21, 18 dash dash dash. Here A2, that is the first term, which is 24, and D2 is equal to 21 minus 24, which is equal to minus 3 we will get. You can check it for the second one, that is 18 minus 21, which is equal to minus 3. Now Tn is equal to A2 plus in bracket n minus 1 into D2. Tn as it is, which is equal to A2 is an 24 plus in bracket n minus 1 into minus 3. So here 24 plus in bracket minus 3n minus into minus plus 3. This is an Tn. Then Tn is equal to 24 plus 3, 24, 25, 26, 27 plus into minus, that is a minus 3n. This is an equation number 2. By condition, condition is what now here? The nth term of the arithmetic progressions are equal. That means this equation 1 Tn and this equation 2 Tn, they are the same. That means 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. So minus 2n plus 3n is equal to 27 minus 11. So now here minus 2n plus 3n, if you will subtract, you will get here n is equal to 27 minus 11, 7 minus 1 is in a 6 and this 2 minus 1 is in a 1. That is n is equal to 16 we got. And now he had told us to find the Tn. Now that I will solve it here, Tn. To you understand, I will write it with the other pen so that you can understand immediately. Now Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. N is equal to 16 is there. So T16 is equal to A value we have here A, any you can take from equation 1 also. If you take here A is an 9 plus n 16 minus 1, that is 16 minus 1 into D. D is a minus 3 into minus 3. So T16 is equal to 9 plus 17 minus 1 is in a 16 minus 1 is in a 15 into minus 3, which is equal to 9 plus into minus, that is in a minus 15 3s are 45, which is equal to 15 n D. D is an n is in a 9, and common difference here D we got it as a minus 2. We have taken equal, that is in a first we have taken. So here A1 is 9 and D1 is in a minus 2. Sorry, minus 2 into minus 2. So here 9, 15 2s are 30 plus into minus minus 9 minus 30. If you will subtract it, but keep the greater number sign. After subtracting, you will get it is in a minus 21. This is in a T16. By the first arithmetic progression you have seen. If you will see it by the second arithmetic progression, there also you will get the same answer. That I will solve it here. If you want, I will solve it here. After from here, you are going to shift it here. So now T16 is equal to A value is in a 24 plus 16 minus 1 into D is in a minus 3, which is equal to 24 plus 60 plus into minus minus. I will do it here. 16 minus 1, that is in a 15 into 3, which is equal to 24 minus 15 3s are 45. Now from 45, if you will subtract this 24, you will get it as a minus 21. either you solve it by taking this, or if you solve by this, you will get the same answer. That is T16 is equal to minus 21 and T16 is equal to minus 21. This is by the first arithmetic progression. This is by the second arithmetic progression that we have shown here, and you can write it in your notebook. Thank you. Now example number 6, the sum of the third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 7, and the sum of the 7th and the 14th term is minus 3. Then find the 10th term, that is a T10 we are going to find. Suppose first term and common difference B, A and D. Then by case 1 is what? The third term and the eighth term, that is T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. This is the case first. Now we know here the formula, general formula I will write here. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is the general formula. By this here we will write directly now here. T3, put here n is equal to 3 and A as it is A plus 3 minus 1 into D plus A plus in bracket 8 minus 1 into D is equal to 7. A plus 3 minus 1, that is in a 2D plus A plus 8 minus 7, 8 minus 1 is in a 7D, which is equal to 7. A plus A, that is in a 2A plus 7D plus 2D, 7, 8, 9, that is in a 9D is equal to 7. This is an equation number 1. That is 2A plus 9D is equal to 7. Now case second. Case second is what? 7th term, that is in a T7 plus 14th term T14 is equal to minus 3. 7th term, now in this formula keep now here we will get A plus in bracket 7 minus 1 into D plus A plus in bracket 14 minus 1 into D, which is equal to minus 3. Now here A plus 7 minus 1, that is in a 6D plus this A plus 14 minus 1, that is in a 13D is equal to minus 3. A plus A, 2A plus, now here 6D plus 13D, add it now, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is in a 19D is equal to minus 3. This is an equation number 2. Now here equation 1 and 2, if you will solve, you will get the value of A and D now here. That I will solve it here. Equation 1 is an 2A plus 9D is equal to 7. And second equation is an 2A plus 19D is equal to minus 3. Now here, if you will subtract it, you will get the, I will write here subtract. After subtracting, change the sign. Plus 2A minus 2A get cancelled. 9D minus 19D, that is a minus 10D is equal to 7 plus 3, that is a 10. So D is equal to 10 upon minus 10, that is D is equal to minus 1. This we have cancelled. D is equal to minus 1 we got. Now put D is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. 2a plus 9 into minus 1 is equal to 7. 2a plus into minus 9 is equal to 7. Then 2a is equal to 7 plus 9. That is 2a is equal to 7 plus 9, that is 16. Then a is equal to 16 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. A is equal to 8 we got. A is equal to 8 and D is equal to minus 1 we got here. When that I will write it here. We got here A is equal to 8 and D is equal to minus 1, and we are going to find the T10. Now Tn formula we know, Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Then T10 is equal to A is an 8 plus 10 minus 1 into D is minus 1. Then T10 is equal to 8 plus 10 minus 1 is a 9 into minus 1. Then T10 is equal to 8 plus into minus, that is a minus, 9 ones are 9. Then T10 is equal to 8 minus 9, that is a minus 1. That is a 10th term is a minus 1. Here the answer is completed. You can take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now 7th example. In an arithmetic progression, the first term is a minus 5. First term is a minus 5 and the last term is an arithmetic, that is last term is a 45. If the sum of all the number is 120, then how many terms are there? Then what is the common difference? Now here suppose first term is A and common difference is D. Here the first term is given, A is equal to minus 5 and the last term is given, that is Tn is equal to 45. And Sn, that means the sum of all the term, that is an Sn is equal to 120 is given. And how many terms are there? That means n is equal to question mark, that we are going to find. And what is the common difference? D is equal to question mark. This we are going to find it now. Now here A is equal to minus 5, that means T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 5. Here we know the two formulas, that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D, and again one formula we know, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. When the first term and the last term is given, we are going to use the formula, this formula we are going to use, that is an Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket T1 plus Tn. T1 plus Tn or T1 minus Tn, I think that is we are going to see that. Correct. T1 plus Tn. Now here Sn is given. Sn is 120. n that we are going to find upon 2 in bracket T1 is in a minus 5 plus Tn is in a 45. Now n in bracket minus 5 into 5 plus 45, that is in a 40, is equal to 120 into 2. Therefore n is equal to 120 into 2 upon this 40. This cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. That is n is equal to 3 twos are 6. N is equal to 6 we got. Now here how many terms are there? There are the 6 terms. Now D is equal to, that we are going to find, that is in a common difference. We know the Tn formula. Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Now n is equal to 6 is there. Now you can put the value now here. At Tn value we know Tn is given. Tn is in a 45, which is equal to A is in a minus 5 plus n is in a 6 minus 1 into D. 45 plus 5 is equal to 5 minus 1, 6 minus 1 is in a 5D. 45 plus 5, that is in a 50, which is equal to 5D. Therefore D is equal to 50 upon 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are 50. Therefore D is equal to 10, and we got n is equal to 6 and D is equal to 10. This is the seventh, that is an example number 7 we have completed here. Now last example from this video, that is the sum of the 1 to n natural number is an 36. Find the value of n. Now natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 dash dash dash. Now here A is equal to, it is given A is equal to 1, D is equal to common difference, that is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, or 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Now Sn, that is Sn is also given. Sn is in a 36. Sn is in a 36. We want to find the value of n now here. Yes, n is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d. Now Sn is in a 36, which is equal to n upon 2 in bracket 2 into 1 plus in bracket n minus 1 into d is in a 1. So 36 into 2 is equal to n in bracket 2 plus n minus 1. So 36 into 2 now, 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 7 7, 72 is equal to n in bracket n plus 1. So here after solving we'll get n square plus n minus 72 is equal to 0. Now if you will see this example, that is an n square plus n is minus 72 is equal to 0. It is in the form of quadratic equation. If by the solving the quadratic equation by factorization method, we will get the value of n. Now here minus 72. That is 9 8 जा 72. 9 minus 8, that is plus 1. That is plus and here minus. So n square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. From this n common, n plus 9. From this 8 common, inside the bracket n minus into plus, that is minus 8 9 the 72 is equal to 0. n plus 9 in one bracket, in another bracket n minus 8, this is a common, is equal to 0. n plus 9 is equal to 0 or n minus 8 is equal to 0. n is equal to minus 9 or n is equal to 8. Here n is equal to minus 9 is not considered as it is not a natural number. Therefore n is equal to 8. That is the value of n. Here the problem set 3, question number 2 to question number 8 we have completed in this video. The remaining examples we are going to see it in the next video. If you are liked, you can subscribe the video and you can share it to your friends. Thank you. Have a good day.